Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Friran functions as a tempo engine. It gains plus 5,000 power when placed on a rearguard circle, letting a single attack become a threat without extra buffs. Build the deck with 3 copies of Friran and include 8 cards that search it for consistency, such as tutors and deck thinners. Aim for a 1-2 turn setup to ride into grade 3 pressures, so you can convert board presence into early damage and maintain hand resources while pushing for a multi-attack window. Use Friran's Act to call 1 unit from drop to rearguard for 1 counterblast. This resurrects key pieces and enables immediate pressure. Combo Friran with a 5,000 power booster to create a 15,000 plus attack that forces guard allocation and opens attacks for the rest of the turn. Prioritize calling grade 2 or less targets for efficient soul synergy and to preserve grade 3 plays. That keeps your ride chain intact while enabling follow-up assaults on turns 2 and 3. Mulligan for Friran and 3 triggers in your opening hand, so you hit the tempo window and can survive early pressure. A hand with Friran plus 1 trigger keeps plays flexible. Conserve 2 counterblasts to use Friran on turn 3 reliably, balancing resource use between defense and lethal turns. Use opponent's guard commitment to time Friran resets and soul calls, baiting guards on weaker attacks before committing your full combo to secure damage and board control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.